Hey, Coach Greg here with Svelte Training, and today we have 4 standing exercises for fat burning. This is gonna be a fun one. All you need is yourself a flat surface, me, you, some water, and we will have some fun burning this fat. So let's get started. Alrighty, so we're doing 3 sets. First set, I'll be more demonstrating and explaining the exercises while you follow along. And then the next 2 sets will be more of a complete run through of all the exercises. Because if we want to burn fat, we got to put in the work, baby. So we're gonna start off with exercise number 1. Alrighty, we have arm swings as a warm up and our first exercise, 30 seconds on the clock. And here we go. I love arm swings because it's a sneaky exercise because you think, Greg, how does this help burn fat? And yes, it does, because why? You are burning gravity. I said burning gravity. You're using gravity to burn fat. Just having your arms up, you have that extra weight, not only of your arms, but also gravity trying to bring them down. So the longer your arms are up in the air, the heavier they get, the more fat you burn, the more energy you use. So it's fun. And it's just a great active recovery. Loosens up those arms, loosens up those joints. And it helps us with this next exercise we got coming. So here we go, a couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna go right into standing Supermans. I like to stand, feet shoulder width apart, hinged at the hips, flat back, really tuck in my belly, really tighten my core. We're 30 seconds on, and really extend. Hands right overhead, and we're just gonna bring our hands to ear level and really extend forward just like that. Really squeeze. It's as if you're trying to bring your elbows to touch. Try to keep that flat plane. Keep it right in here. Pretend you're on the ground doing this because this is where it normally is. You're working out your back, your arms. You're tensing your core. For a couple seconds, this will start to burn. Let's do one more, and done. Great job. Shake up those arms. Next, we have lunge to knee raises. This is gonna be fun. Here we go. In 3, 2, 1, get yourself into a lunge position. You don't have to touch the ground. You can hover, you can keep it right here. But as we bring that leg up, we are gonna go into a knee, just like that. You can do whichever version you want. I like to do 15 seconds each side. Make sure you keep your balance. And then I switch. Bam. I like to pedal with my arms too. Helps me remember which leg and arm is going up. Just like that. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. That one's always fun. Feel free to do whichever version you like. You can alternate. You can do one leg at a time. Whatever you feel. Here we go. All right, last we have some trunk twist, 30 seconds on the clock. Stand up tall. Here we go. I like to clasp my hands together like this. And all I'm doing is rotating from side to side. Nice little bend in my knees. Really focus on twisting that trunk. Make sure you're tightening your core. Make sure you're breathing. It's also important. You're gonna feel your obliques being activated as you're twisting from side to side. This is how you get those abs of steel and how you burn that fat. Here we go, a couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job, shake it out. Whew, that was your first set. We're gonna get right into set number 2, so don't go anywhere. All right, here we go. Arm swings, 3, 2, and 1. We're going right into it. Let's not try to take any too long of breaks. Let's have some fun. We're trying to, I said, burn that fat. Burn that fat. Swing those arms around. Loosen them up, especially for these Supermen we got coming up. There it is. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Here we go. Superman. 3, 2, and 1. So arms overhead. And really pull those elbows back. You should feel it in in your shoulder blades. When you extend, you should feel it in your triceps. Just like that. Try to keep that angle. Try not to drop them. Really just extend and squeeze. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, squeeze and drop. Great job. Lunge to knee raise. Here we go. 15 seconds one side, 15 seconds the next. If you need to hold on to something, feel free. If you have to reset and you can't just put your leg back down, no worries. Just do the lunge, raise that knee, boom, set it down, repeat. Here we go, 30 seconds, and let's go. Just like this. Really extend. Make sure you're breathing. You bring that knee up, almost becomes a crunch. Bam. Switch legs, reset. Here we go. You're doing amazing. You got this. Just like that. A couple more seconds. 3, 2, 1 more, and done. Great job. Last but not least, trunk twist. Shake out those legs. 3, 2, and 1. Really twist. Make sure you focus on your breathing. Those lunges probably got your heart rate up, got your breath all out of whack. So take this time to really bring yourself back down to earth with these twists. Which is funny because like these are hard. These fatigue me so bad, but compared to those lunges, this is nothing. So I like starting with something simpler and ending with something simpler. We can go super hard in the middle and still have fun. Here we go. Couple more seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. My arms are tired, my legs are tired, but we have one more set to go. You know the drill. Grab some water if you need it, or just watch me. Alrighty, here we go. Come on, we're trying to burn that fat. It's just 4 exercises. Come on, we got this. Starting off with arm swings in 3, 2, and 1. By now your arms may be dead and lifeless like mine are right now. That's okay, we're gonna get some life back into them by swinging them around, kind of giving ourselves a hug. You know, you deserve it. Just like this, come on. Really extend. This is also a good chest opener and back. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. There it is, come on. Standing Superman, here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Extend and reach back. Just like that, come on. Really reach forward, extend back. Make sure you're breathing. You're doing amazing. Come on, this is the last set. We got this. 3, 2, so 1 more. Hold, and great job. Lunges, come on. This is where it's made, baby. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Extend. Make sure you breathe. Get your balance. 1 more on this side. You're ready, this next side, and let's go. Really drive that knee. Three, 2, 1 more. There it is. Okay, trunk twist. Here we go. 3, 2, and 1. Catch your breath on this one. Really extend forward with your hands. Keep that tension the whole way. Come on, you got this. Arms may feel like lead right now, like mine do. That's okay, we're almost done. We just got a couple more seconds. You could do that. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. Give yourself one of these and one of these. Pat on the back. You earned it. There you have it. That was your 4 standing exercises for fat burning. Not too bad, right? I enjoyed it. I'm out of breath. Can't even speak. If you like this, go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know which one was your favorite exercise. And if you want more videos like this, then click the notification bell so you can know when we're dropping our next one. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you soon, my friends. Stay strong. Peace.